Hello dear students, today our topic electric power. So electric power represented by letter P. Electric power is nothing but what? Rate of doing work is nothing but power. So here electric power, that's why you'll get electric work by time. Power is nothing but work by time. The rate of doing work is nothing but power. So electric power is equal to electric work by time, nothing but W by T. So we know that from the potential difference or voltage formula, voltage is equal to work done is required to move the charge from one point to another point, nothing but voltage is equal to work done by charge. From that, work done is nothing but voltage into charge. Charge is dividing here, coming to left side will multiply. So work done will be voltage into charge. In the place of work done, you will replace voltage into charge V into Q by T. So V into charge by time. The rate of flow of charge is nothing but current. So in the place of Q by T, you will replace I. So you will get the electric power formula, voltage into current. So I is equal to Q by T. So what we got formula? Power, electric power equal to voltage into current. From Ohm's law, V equal to IR. From that, you need to replace V value by I into R. So P is equal to IR into I. You will get I into I square. So formula will be I square R. Suppose if you replace I value by V by R from the Ohm's law, you will get power formula as V into I means V by R. You can write V into V square by R. So what you got formula? Power is equal to voltage into current or I square R or V square by R, and power having the practical unit watt, W-A-T-T. This will be the practical unit of. Suppose here we have the two bulbs having some resistance 4 ohm and 4 ohm. They connected in series and they connected the battery having voltage 12 volt. So here what we have to find? Power spent in each bulb. In the series combination, what will be the constant? Current will be the constant. If we connected the battery, there should be a current flow. The I current will flow through 4 ohm and 4 ohm. Why? Because in the series combination, current is constant. So we need to find equivalent resistance value for this. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. Why? Because they are in series. So 4 plus 4, how much? 8 ohms. So we got 8 ohms will be the equivalent resistance. To find the current, I is equal to V by R equivalent. So you will get 12 by 8. 4 2s are, 4 3s are, we got 3 by 2 ampere, nothing but 1.5 ampere. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.2. What you have to find? Power spent in each resistor, nothing but first resistor will be 4 ohm. So I square R1, P 4 ohm. Second resistor also we have 4 ohm, that's why P 4 ohm. I square R2. I square R2. Here current will be same. Now we got in the series combination current is same. So current here what you got? 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into square means 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. R1 resistor is nothing but 4 ohm. So 2 2 4 cancel. 2 2s are 4. 4 4 will cancel. We got 3 into 3 9 watt. Unit of power will be watt. So and here also 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 4 ohm. So 2 2 4 4 4 cancel. We got 2 2s are 4. 4 4 will cancel. We got 9 watt. Nothing but if we connected the two bulbs in the series combination, we got the power value as 9 watt and 9 watt. So coming to here, power spent in each bulb if they connected in parallel. See here 4 ohm 4 ohm in series combination. Here also 4 ohm 4 ohm in the parallel combination. In each and every combination I am finding the power. So here also in the parallel combination, what will be the constant? These are connected in parallel, that's why voltage will be constant 12 volt. Here also 12 volt. So in the parallel combination, how to find R equivalent? R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2, nothing but 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4. So 16 by 8. 8 in 16, 2 times cancel. You got 2 ohm will be the equivalent resistor. To find the power rating, P1 is nothing but V square by R1. So V square is nothing but 12 into 12 by R1 resistor 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36 watt. P2 will be V square by R2. Why V square we took here means parallel combination voltage is constant. That's why 12 into 12 by here also resistance 4. 4 3 12 36 watt. In both the problems what we observe is nothing but if you connected the series of bulbs, they glow with less brightness. If you connect the bulbs in the parallel combination, they will glow with high brightness.